My beloved self and Arfam, I bless you. Today it is 10th of July 2021. In Tamil Nadu, one godman called Shiv Shankar Baba has been arrested and imprisoned for the past 22 days. Though he prayed bail, he has been negative bail by the judiciary of Tamil Nadu. Whereas the judiciary of Tamil Nadu is not at all worried about the politicians who have done so many crimes. Particularly, one Vaiko, who is in alliance with M.K. Stalin, the present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he himself has charged Stalin as have a link and he is instrumental in the murder of one Sadiq Bacha. But Stalin is the CM now, and Vaiko is in alliance. He is having some 4 or 5 MLAs along with Stalin's side in Tamil Nadu Assembly. And Stalin himself has charged Edappadi Palaniswamy, he is the opponent leader, formerly Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, as he is responsible for he is the instrumental and also he is the mastermind of 5 murders and around 700 crores worth of, 30,000 crores of money burgled from Jayalalitha's Kodanad estate. These things are still in the social media. Whereas these two are sitting opposite in the front rows of government of Tamil Nadu's assembly. And another one, Pollachi Jayaraman, his son, around 1,000 videos have been caught by one Nakiran. He is supporting now Stalin. He is the editor of Nakiran Gopal. He is editor of Nakiran, an investigative journal in Tamil. And he himself has charged Pollachi Jayaraman, his son, who is having around 1,000 videos as per Nakiran statements of sexual harassment, rape and intimidation of those victims who have been held by him in custody with the videos taken of them. Such a son is Pollachi Jayaraman's son and his friends. But Pollachi Jayaraman is now sitting MLA along with Edappadi Palaniswamy, AIDMK. Whereas O. Pannirselvam and his associates, including C. Vijay Bhaskar, former health minister, present MLA, and Radhakrishnan, the health secretary of then and now, these were instrumental in the killing of Jayalalitha, suspicious death of Jayalalitha in Apollo Hospital. He has revealed 10% of the truth, O. Pannirselvam. He has hidden 90% of the truth in the suspicion of Jayalalitha's murder or death. But he was abetting 90% of the crime or something suspicious of Jayalalitha unrevealed. OPS is also one of the important MLAs in Tamil Nadu Assembly. Whereas Banwarilal Purohit, the governor of Tamil Nadu, has been charged by one Nirmala Devi, a professor of one university, Tamil Nadu University. She has released, Nakiran has released an audio, telephonic conversation between her and herself acting as a pimp for making students to cooperate with the governor and governor's office people of Tamil Nadu, while Banwarilal Purohit was then governor and now governor. So Banwarilal is still the governor of Tamil Nadu. He is chairing the assembly of these criminals and their supporters. The entire assembly of Tamil Nadu, 234 MLAs, are only supporters of either Stalin or Edappadi Palaniswamy, whom I have told as they are criminals. One is charged with Sadiq Bacha's murder, and another one is charged with 5 murders and around 30,000 crores of burglary by Stalin. So this is the status of assembly. While this gentleman, this godman, Shiv Shankar Baba, he has built several temples in his Ramarajya, and he has made so many homums. He has helped so many poor children to get good education. He has been fakely charged by some people abroad in America. For them only I am addressing this. So I request Joe Biden to find out who are all the people based on the IP addresses who have charged this godman, Shiv Shankar Baba, fakely after becoming so much rich and well settled in America. Now the government of Tamil Nadu is charging Shiv Shankar Baba in POCSO, whereas POCSO is meant for small children. Those who are now charging him are adults. They have crossed more than 18 years. They are almost well settled and married. Therefore, this should be dealt only by IPC, Indian Penal Code, and Criminal Procedures Code. So these things, instead of these things, they are charging him. They are framing charges on POCSO, whereas those who have charged him are not children. They are grown-up men and women. Therefore, those who have charged him from America, they should be appropriately brought to book, and they should be they taken cognizance of having given fake charges on this godman, who is very honest and has been very helpful to poor children. All the charges on him are he has hugged girls and he has kissed girls. This is the charges. Hugging and kissing is a symbol of love. He has only loved people all through his life. Whereas those criminals I have told, right from Banwari Lal Purohit up to Edapadi Palaniswamy, OPS, Radhakrishnan, Health Secretary, they are all criminals. They have killed people, they are associated with killings, and they have raped people, or they have made people to rape. They encourage people, their son and children to rape. So these are all the things. So these criminals should be immediately removed from assembly. Therefore, I request the government of India to immediately dissolve the state assembly of government of Tamil Nadu and take back Banwari Lal Purohit and put him in appropriate legal framework and give him appropriate punishment according to the statements of Nirmala Devi. She has been framed as mad now, so that her statements could not be accepted. Actually, she is not mad. Therefore, her statements should be accepted, and Banwari Lal Purohit and his associates in the governor's office also should be appropriately punished. I request the government of India to immediately release Sri Shivashankar Baba and also to arrest the criminals whom I have named now. I request the government of America, US government, especially Sri Joe Biden, to find out those people who are charging after becoming adult and rich in America. Now, the school in which they have studied, the Sushil Hari school, and the owner of the school, Sri Shivashankar Baba. Actually, he is the owner, but he is not even having a bank account. He is such a simple sannyasi. He doesn't have a car, doesn't have a bank account. No, he is not even the trustee of that school. So he is totally a sannyasin. So please find them and charge them appropriately, so that they withdraw the complaints given on this godman fakely or falsely. Shiv Om.